Hi students, in this video we are going to learn some important questions from arithmetic progression. Look at the question. Find the sum of the two middlemost terms of the AP minus 4 by 3, minus 1, minus 2 by 3 and so on up to 4, 1 by 3 is our question. So from the question we can take what is A and D first. A is the first term, so we can take the minus 4 by 3 as it is. And D is a common difference. So from the second term we have to subtract the first term. So in our given question our second term is minus 1, first term is minus 4 by 3. So let's substitute here. Minus 1, this minus we should take. Then A1 value minus 4 by 3 should be taken like this. Now we have to remove the bracket. So minus 1, this minus and minus will get multiplied. It will get plus 4 by 3. Now this is 1 by 1, this is 4 by 3. Let's take the LCM. For 3 ones are 3 and 1 fours are 4 and divided by 3. So 4 minus 3 will give you 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the difference, common difference value. Now we need to find the middlemost term. So to find the middlemost term, first we need to find out how many terms are there in the given AP. So we need to find the n value, number of terms. So you can either go by the an formula or you can go by the n formula directly. So I am writing the n formula here. N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So this is a direct formula to find your n. So this we derived from our an formula only. So that you can look into the formula video that will be given in the end of the screen. So you can check out of that. So this is a formula to find the n value directly since we know the last term. So last term is 4 1 by 3. So here I am just writing my L value is 4 1 by 3. It's a mixed fraction. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13 by 3. This is our L value. A value given. D value is 1 by 3. We already found out. Let's substitute here now. N is equal to, in the place of L we can take this 13 by 2 minus A value in our question minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 divided by difference 1 by 3 we got, and this plus 1 should be taken as it is. Now just a normal calculation. In our numerator first we have to do, here denominator is 3. I have written wrongly, so this is 3. So here also it is 3 only. Now when we are opening the bracket, this minus will get multiplied. So 13 by 3 plus 4 by 3 will be the numerator and denominator is 1 by 3 and plus 1. Now the numerator we can add these two. Since the denominators are same, we can add it directly. So 13 plus 4 is 17 by 3 we can write it. Since the denominators are same, we are adding it directly. So 17 by 3 is the numerator. Denominator 1 by 3 we can take it to the numerator. It will become reciprocal. So that is 3 by 1 plus 1 we should take. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So 17 plus 1 will be the value, that is equal to 18. So totally there are 18 terms are there in our given AP. In 18 terms we need to find the two middlemost terms. So here n is equal to 18. 18 is a even number. So we need to identify the middle term. That is a median we need to find actually. So whenever the number is a even number, there will be two middle terms. So how to find that now? Easily. So to finding the middle terms is very easy. Here 18 is given now. So you just divide that 18 by 2. So 18 by 2 will give you 9. So the middle terms, the first term is a 9th term. So 9th term, and after the 9th term the next successive term is a 10th term. So 10th term. So these two are middle terms actually, 9th term and the 10th term. Whenever even number if you are getting, cut them into the half. The middle most term is 9. Then after the next number is also should be taken as a middle term. Because if you have 100 numbers, so we will be getting two middle term, that will be 50 and 51. 100 if you are dividing by 2 it will be 50 and 51 will be the middle also. So 9th and 10th term we have to find. In our question they are asked you to find the sum of the middlemost terms. So sum of A9 plus A10 they are asked you to find out. So don't go for A9 and A10 separately, it will take time. So directly we can do for it. So A9 will be written as A plus 8D because our AN formula, so you know already AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So n is 9 here, so 9 minus 1 will become 8 now. A10 will be written as a plus 9d. Now a and a will be added, that is 2a. 8d and 9d will be added, that is 17d. We know what is a and what is d, we can substitute. 2 into a value is the first term, that is given as minus 4 by 3. Plus 17 into d value we got as 1 by 3. So we can do it in this way. So 4 2s are 8 by 3. 17 ones are 17 by 3. So both the denominators are same. So we can do it directly. 17 minus 8 will give you 9 by 3. If we cancel, 3s are. So sum of the middlemost terms will be, the answer is 3 is your correct answer. Look at the next term. The first term of an AP is minus 5 and the last term is 45. The sum of the terms of an AP is 120. So Sn is equal to 120 is given. So then find out the number of terms. So n is equal to question mark and the common difference. D is also question mark. Very easily we can find, since we know the Sn value, we can go by the Sn formula. Sn we have two formulas. Since we have given with the L value, we can take Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. So this is very simple. Since we have given with the L value, we can take the second Sn formula. The one more Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d also we can apply. But that will take time. This shortly we can get it. Sn value is 120 is given. Substitute. N value we don't know. Keep as it is by 2. A plus L. A is minus 5 and your L is 45 is given. Write the 45. Now the denominator 2 in division, bring it to that side, that will become multiplication. So 120 into 2 is equal to n into minus 5 plus 45. 1 is plus 1 is minus, it will get subtracted. So 40 you can write it. So multiplication 40, we are going to bring it to other side. So here we have 120 multiplied by 2 divided by 40 is equal to n. So 0 0 cancelled, 4 1s are 4 3s are. So 3 2s are, we are getting n is equal to 6. So we got n value as 6. So Sn value is 120. So definitely that is S6 is 120. Definitely we can say. So S6 is 120. Now we can get the difference value by using the one more Sn formula. So either you can go with the S6 formula, the another one. Otherwise, last term is given as 45. The last term is nothing but there are only 6 terms in this AP. So the last term can be considered as a 6th term of the AP. So A6 is equal to 45. You can write it definitely. So A6 value A plus 5D, because AN formula we know that AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So by using AN formula, so A6 is A plus 5D, which is equal to 45. You can write it. Now we have given with the A value is minus 5 plus 5 into D, which is equal to 45. The minus 5 you can take it to other side, it is a plus 5. So 45 plus 5 we can write it. So 5D is equal to 45 plus 5 is 50 and difference equal to multiplication 5 will go down as a division. So 50 by 5, that will be 10. So difference is equal to 10 is your correct answer. They are asked you to find what is n and what is D. So here our D value is 10 we got and the n value we got it as 6. So that is your correct answer. If you feel the video is useful, give a like to us, share with your friends, subscribe our channel for more videos.